First, they find a camera hidden behind a two-way mirror inside of a shower. Next, their house burns down in Portsmouth, and now this very frustrated family is moving forward with a civil lawsuit. This sound coming from behind a two-way mirror led to the discovery of a hidden camera in a shower wall back in December of 2022. The Boones made the disturbing discovery while they were renting this home in Portsmouth.
And you had a camera in there filming kids, and they filming my wife and me in the shower. I mean, that is the most devastating, torturous thing you could do.
3 weeks later, the house burned down. WTKR got this video.
Most people would expect if their abode burns down that there would be answers. Maybe not immediately, but certainly within 2 years. And that hasn't happened here.
Since this past summer, I've been re-examining this case and asking questions and learned through records that the house has been sold. Documents that we got show police worked the FBI and said that they didn't locate any files or recordings on the hidden camera. They said no one was arrested due to lack of evidence. And as for the fire, officials say it was not considered suspicious. They think it was electrical, but said the ultimate cause of the issue was undetermined. Through our records request, a report stated in part, pictures and a deep investigation were not possible due to the damage associated to the fire and the ruling of the cause being undetermined. These pictures were taken by the Boones. In recent weeks, police gave the family a document with a timeline of events stating they executed a search warrant at the home on the male owner of the home's email, and the FBI conducted tests among other actions, but no evidence was found and the case was inactive in October of 2024. Records show that the couple had no criminal history but have since divorced and moved out of state. However, the report does show 2 weeks ago police tried to call the male owner of the home twice, but those numbers that they had didn't work. In August of 2023, the Boones filed a civil lawsuit against the couple who owned the house at the time. Records show that the male owner never responded to the lawsuit, and now a default judgment hearing is scheduled for October 23rd.
When somebody is served with a lawsuit and they don't respond, they are in default, even though you didn't appear in court and didn't make an entry in the case, didn't respond to the lawsuit. That doesn't mean you're excused from responding.
However, the ex-wife's attorney did respond to the lawsuit, saying she was a victim too and had no knowledge of a hidden camera or a two-way mirror, saying she first learned about this when a neighbor sent her a link to our original story, which was cited in the legal response. I have tried to email, call, and text the previous owners, but have not been successful in getting any kind of response. But again, we want to stress that those owners were not charged with any kind of crime. The Boones want more investigation into what happened, and they're fearful that whoever put the camera in their shower could be doing this again to somebody else.
They want people to know that this can happen, that somebody or someone or something can cause your house to burn down after you discover a hidden camera that's watching you while you shower, and nothing gets done about it.
In Portsmouth, Margaret Kavanaugh, News 3.